So guys, we've been with Sky for a while and it's been nothing but headache and a problem. And Sky have said they want the boxes back. Now on these boxes we have a lot of personal data. We have Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney and so on. And we don't want our personal details going over to them, or someone gets hold of the box, connects it and is watching things for free. So we need to do a factory reset. I'm going to show you, it's a Sky Q box. So I'm going to show you how to reset everything. So you're going to scroll down on the left from the home button to settings and just hover. Don't press and don't go to the right. Don't press OK. And then on your remote you want to press 001 and then the select button. The accept button or the return, some people call it. So here we go. 001 select. And this menu will come up. And then you can see on the left it's got reset. And you want to go to there and reset settings, reset hard drive, and then finally you want to do factory reset. And your Sky Q box will become exactly the way you got it, completely empty, and then you have to set everything up. That's the best way. And if you really want to go one step further, you could actually dismantle your Sky Q box and damage or take the hard drive out. So hopefully this helps you guys how to reset your Sky Q box before you send it back, or you send it to the skip for recycling and so on. Okay, hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.